Hi guys, I hope all of you are safe and doing well. This is a brief office tour, and this is the first thing that one sees when we enter the office. My coffee machine, my helmet. This is a mini gym that I've tried to create. Couple of dumbbells, some rods, and a Costco bench, and a pull-up bar on the wall. This is an old table which I hardly use. And this is my late father's chair. I don't sit on it, neither do I allow anyone else to sit on it, but just keep it behind me. This is a sketch that one of my students made. This is the CCTV rack. And now this is the setup. You can already notice I don't like loose hanging wires. So this is a custom desk designed in a way that no loose wires are in sight. So on the left hand side of the table I have this board which has sketches from my sons and a portrait of Hanumanji. So this is the mic that I use. I've been using it for the last 2 years, I guess. It's a Rode NT-USB mounted on a boom arm. When I don't need it, I just push it back. Now this is the chair that I use. This is from Godrej Interior. It has adjustable elbow support, goes up and down. And on recline, it has 3 tilt settings, so you can adjust as per your comfort. So I am 6'1", and this is how I've designed the setup so that I have optimum comfort and good viewing angle to whatever screens I'm using. So on the left hand side I have this drawer on the table. These are the cravats that you might see me wearing on TV sometimes when I'm in the mood. And this is the remote of these Edifier bookshelf speakers. Comes in handy. This is the lion lapel that I wear on almost all my TV outings. This is from someone special. And these are the Edifier Bluetooth headphones that I use whenever I'm taking a class or whenever I'm, in a web meeting. So on the desk, there's this clock. A clock is very necessary. My coffee cup, a bull to remind me that I don't have to be a perma bear, my water bottle, a plant. These are the chargers, iPhone Type-C and normal USB charger. So this is the Keychron K2 keyboard that I use. This is compatible both with PCs and Macs, and it can be used with a wire and works on Bluetooth as well. Really like this keyboard. And this is the Logitech G3 mouse. So this is my execution monitor. My terminal, I am using Symphony these days. So Symphony is open on this side. This is my execution, chart. The trade that I'm right now in, the charts would be open on this screen, and on this bigger 32-inch LG monitor, I'll have charts of all the stocks that I've shortlisted. So this is my old, rather very old, 11-year-old iMac. I'm just using it for the stock screener, the StableFox stock screener. Keeps giving me trades throughout the day. This is the PC that powers everything. It's kept at the bottom. It's an i7 32 GB RAM. Recently upgraded the graphics card to RTX 3060. I guess this is the only thing left. This is the webcam that I use. This is the Logitech 922 Pro webcam. And while we are at it, yes, I'm talking to you, the non-subscribed 45% males. Do consider subscribing and leaving a like if you wish to see such boring videos in the future. So this is the setup. Let me remind you, a setup like this does not ensure your success in the trading world. Your success depends on the way you look at price, what your execution speed is. But yes, it's always better to be in a happy place in which you are comfortable while you're working. That's what I've tried to create. You guys take care. Please respect risk. Thank you.